Welcome to the Radiography Virtual Information Session. This degree program prepares students to practice as radiographers. Radiographers manipulate X-ray equipment and provide patient care to produce images of the tissues, organs, bones, and vessels of the body. Radiographers work closely with radiologists, who are the physicians responsible for interpreting medical images. The radiography program consists of on-campus classes and labs, online instruction, and clinical education in area hospitals. Once enrolled, you will learn patient care, safety, image production, and procedures. The demand for radiographers in the United States is expected to grow, fueled by an increase in natural population growth, a greater lifespan for individuals, and an increasing demand for radiographic procedures resulting from technological advances aimed at early diagnosis and prevention of disease. Being a radiographer presents many challenges, so be sure the program fits your ambitions before you apply. If you are considering entering the field of radiography, you should be able to think critically and independently, show compassion and caring towards others, have the ability to apply technical knowledge, possess good communication and interpersonal skills, be adaptable to various situations, environments, and personalities, and be able to work well under pressure in the presence of illness and trauma. Upon graduating the program and finding work as a radiographer, you will be required to maintain patients' trust through confidentiality, manipulate complex radiographic equipment safely, perform more than one task at a time under stress, demonstrate cultural sensitivity to patients and their families, recognize physiological changes in patients and respond accordingly, have sufficient stamina to move patients, stand for long periods of time, and lift medical equipment up to 60 pounds. Now we will talk about the program description. The program is accredited by JCERT, which is the Joint Review Committee on Education in Radiologic Technology. Graduates are eligible to take the ARRT, which is the American Registry of Radiologic Technologists certification exam, and subsequently apply to the state for licensure. The radiography program is competency-based and uses as guideline the American Society of Radiologic Technologists Curriculum Guide. Graduates earn an AS in radiography. The 5-year average pass rate is 92.59%. The graduation rate on a 5-year average is 71.4%. This slide discusses the number of graduates seeking employment, the number of graduates employed, and therefore the job placement percent. Students entering the radiography program must meet certain standards of performance in order to progress in their coursework and ultimately graduate. These standards include cognitive, affective, and psychomotor demands associated with the profession. Please visit the standards at the following website. The application period runs between March and May. For new students, they must first apply to Broward College. Then you will need to complete a limited access application. The minimum GPA is a 2.5 in the courses listed below and an overall GPA of 2.5. These courses as well require a minimum GPA of 2.5 and an overall GPA of 2.5. Selection for admission is based on points being awarded for the number of courses successfully completed and GPA toward the AS degree in radiography. Selection for admission is based on candidates having the highest points earned as follows. An A grade point accumulates the highest amount of points. The maximum number of points that an applicant can be awarded is 44. In the event of a point tie for any remaining program seats, GPA in the application criteria courses will be used. After you apply, the admissions department evaluates all applications once application period has ended. The admissions department will contact you by June 21st to notify you as to whether you have been accepted. Admissions will notify students through their BC email. Therefore, it is strongly encouraged to regularly check your BC email. Once you receive your acceptance email, which again will be sent to your BC email, You will be invited to attend a pre-admissions orientation. During the pre-admissions orientation, admissions will inform you of all the paperwork that will be required prior to entering the program, such as your drug, background, fingerprint testing, etc. This slide is an overview of all the courses you will take in the first year of the program. This is all the courses that you will take in the second year of your program. The total cost of the program is approximately $11,000 for Florida residents and $28,000 for out-of-state applicants. Please note that the actual costs are subject to change. The radiography program is a full-time commitment. It cannot be taken part-time. It is primarily a daytime program with hours varying between 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., Monday through Friday. A typical semester involves 2 or 3 days of clinical attendance and 2 to 3 days of classes and labs. Clinical rotations also require some evenings beginning in the second year of the program from 2 to 10 p.m. There are no scheduled weekend courses or clinical rotations. Students may have to drive up to 1 hour from their home to attend clinical courses. Students will rotate through 3 different hospitals over the length of the program. Prerequisites and general education courses may be taken at any Broward College campus or online if available. All didactic classes are taught on Central Campus in Building 8. The clinical rotations are offered in various medical facilities at Broward College. Clinical rotations are offered in various medical facilities in Broward County. For any questions about admissions, please call the number below or email Jessica Rodriguez. For advisement and transcript review, please call the number listed next to advisement. Questions about the program, please email the program manager. 2 useful websites is the admission website and the program website where you could find more information. Thank you.